So, Niyati, tell me, is there anything that your mom says that makes you roll your eyes? But it also kind of, makes sense.
Uh, so I'm a little impulsive, impatient.
Mm-hmm.
So when something happens, I have to deal with it then and there. I need a solution right now, right there.
Okay.
And she says, be patient, take your time. I think this take your
Take
time
your sit with
is
it.
something. Sit with sit with it, not so much, but take your time because I do have that issue of being impatient. Like if
Okay.
something happens, no, why
Yeah.
isn't happening now? That I'm that kind of a person.
Right.
And she says, take your time. Nidhi, take your time. And I'll be like, oh, stop saying that. But it makes so much sense because that's
Got
what
it.
I have to do.
Okay.
But
Okay.
Yeah, and I get all that rolling of the eyes then.
yeah, I can't help it.
Tell me one fashion advice that your mom gave you and you follow it. Vice versa. Like you can also say
I'm not
anything.
a makeup person, but she
Uh-huh.
always says wear kajal
Okay.
because that
Yeah.
looks good for you. She keeps saying that.
Yeah. In fact,
So,
when I walked in today, I think the first thing that I noticed was your kajal. You look
oh,
so pretty with
thank
kajal in your
you,
eyes.
thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
So even if I don't have to wear any kind of makeup, she says wear kunjam kajal, little bit. She keeps saying that.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah,
I think highlighting her eyes like
Yes.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So yeah, she sometimes tells me, okay, this doesn't go with this and things like that. Sometimes she says, yeah, you can reduce your makeup.
no,
Even today, she said, Amma, you really want to wear makeup? I said, I need to cover my under eyes. Let me wear just. She was like, and I said, okay, you're a natural beauty. You can be that
no,
way. எனக்கு
you.
கொஞ்சம் under eyes I need to cover.
No, no,
Okay.
no.
So yeah, she says like you don't need makeup. It's a
Okay.
podcast. So why would you need makeup?
Okay.
That kind of advice she gets. She
Okay.
gives me.
Okay. Do you both share clothes and jewelry?
Clothes, not so much.
Mm-hmm.
But my jewelry is completely, I raid her
Yeah.
Mama's
closet.
jewelry only.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm a very basic person when it comes to jewelry. I can wear the same thing every day.
Okay.
But every time I go out, I go and I search that and I don't give it back. And then we fight.
She
Okay.
keeps it somewhere. And the best thing is, I would have displayed what to wear for the next day. Okay. So I like to match
Plan,
things and like, even if I keep a footwear outside and some jewelry outside, the next morning it's missing.
Because madam has read
Yeah,
it.
because it's already there out, no? It's easy for her to pick and like just wear it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys share jewelry then.
Jewelry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So Niyati, if you could take one set from Amma's jewelry box, what would it be?
I guess I think you got it from GRT, the whole temple jewelry set, because she wears
Okay.
that very often.
Okay.
Every time, every event, every function, she takes out that temple jewelry set, and I always have my eye on it.
Okay.
So,
So
yeah,
beware.
probably
One day
that.
if it goes missing, you know who
Yeah.
took it.
it goes along with most of the traditional costumes and
Right.
sometimes even salwars, no? So
Right. Yeah.
yeah, and okay, I'll share one secret that set was bought for her, but I keep using it.
See?
Okay.
Because I have no
Sweet.
clue. I don't know. I might wear the same thing 2 days in a row and I won't know it's the same thing.
Okay.
So I'm that thick when it comes to jewelry. So, but this
Okay.
looks good and I keep taking it.
Okay.
Thanks for telling me that it's mine.
Yeah,
That's your
okay.
piece.
Sweet.
Okay.
As a mother, Devadarshini, is there anything is there a piece of jewelry that you think every mother should give their daughter?
See, I am not sure about every mother because they would have their own preference and priorities. I would like to pass on something to her because it was passed on to me.
Okay.
A lot of things were passed on to me from my mom, but there was one particular uh, ring,
Okay.
right? It's gold with green. I think they're emeralds.
Okay.
Yeah. Very it looks like an antique piece. So this was my dad's ring.
Okay.
So when I was a kid, I remember that chunky ring on his finger.
Okay.
And I used to fancy that a lot because men hardly wear pieces of jewelry, right? It was a very chunky ring and a very beautiful piece. So I always used to eye that, and when he eats, he used to shift his ring, and
Okay.
so that was a very clear memory even as a baby. So as I grew up, and then like when my parents were giving away pieces of jewelry and all that. My dad was like, I'm not wearing this anymore. I said, I want it, I want it, I want it. So
Okay.
yeah, I shamelessly wear it for all my clothes, whether I'm wearing red, blue,
Okay.
whatever it is, the green ring will be there on my
Okay.
finger.
Okay.
So that's one piece of jewelry that I really cherish. And it's for me, it's very symbolic because there is this feminine energy in a man
Yeah.
and a masculine energy in a woman,
Yes.
right? So this feels like the feminine energy of my dad,
Yeah.
and I would like to keep it.
Okay.
Like, a mother part from my father.
Yeah.
So that is a ring that I really love,
Okay.
and I would like to give it to her
Oh,
Okay.
sweet.
That's
after my
lovely.
time.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
So we are going to be playing a fun game right now. It is actually called How Well Do You Know Each Other? Sparkle Edition. So we've got a table filled with stunning GRT sets.
Yes.
We've got temple jewelry, some minimal gold, and some diamonds. So here's how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to give you a scenario, and you have to pick what would your mother pick, and you have to pick what would your daughter pick. Okay, are we ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So the first one's for you. What would Niyati pick to attend her best friend's wedding?
Right. It depends on the outfit.
Okay.
So if she's wearing a pattu sari, then I guess she might go for the antique. But she may not be wearing a pattu sari.
Okay.
In that case, she is a little minimalistic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I think she'll select this.
Okay. So are you sure?
Yes, I think I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Okay. So let's call Niyati. Okay. So Niyati, your mom, she's picked a piece for you to attend your best friend's wedding. So let's see if she's got it right.
Generally, on the day, it will be displayed for her and she'll just take it and she'll wear it.
Okay. So let's see if
She
she's right.
She picks out my jewelry most of the time.
So, should I give her some leads? Should I give her some clues?
You could.
Yeah, so the conversation went like this. If you're wearing a pattu sari, it'll be something else. But you're assuming you're not wearing a pattu
Yeah.
sari.
So it's, yeah, I think she should have got it. Let's see.
Probably like that one.
Oh, wow. That's right. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, and she said that, you like it minimal. So
Wow.
that was right. Good one. Good one. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It's a pretty piece and it's got one dash of color, right?
Yeah.
That looks very beautiful. And generally, I thought she may not like something that's
Right.
on her neck.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. All right.
Oh
So
my god, now I'm feeling a lot of pressure.
okay. So now you need to go out, and I'm gonna ask her.
Okay, can I eavesdrop?
Not allowed. Okay. So are you ready, Niyati?
Yes.
So let's say this is a scenario. Let's say it's your mom and dad's wedding anniversary.
Oh, okay.
What do you think she would pick out of this?
So she's one antique jewelry paithyam.
Okay.
Like her entire jewelry set is full of antique jewelry. So I'm a little conflicted between these two because she generally likes bigger earrings,
Okay.
but I think she would like this pattern a lot. And she's got a lot like this. I'm guessing she might pick this.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's call her. Your daughter has picked a piece for your wedding anniversary. Okay, so she said that you love temple jewelry.
Yes, I do.
So that is the clue that I'm giving you.
Right. So you know all my jewelry collection, right? So
Uh-oh.
Seriously?
Yeah. She said that Amma likes big earrings, but she just didn't see that.
What did you select?
part.
I selected this because I knew that it has a kuti earring.
The last and final question. Let's say both of you are attending an awards night. What would you both pick for each other?
Definitely not the
Okay.
temple jewelry because she wears a
Yeah.
lot of it.
Right.
I'm guessing you won't be wearing a pattu sari.
No.
Yeah, I think I've picked that as well.
Yeah. It's so grand and like you can club it with a very simple outfit.
Right.
Yeah.
So that
And it will probably just stand out.
this would stand
Okay.
out.
So both of you are picking that, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Lovely.
Yeah, you can take the choker.
Yeah, okay, fair. This would just, I think, complete the outfit.
Yeah.
Okay, so both of you are picking this, and fun fact is that this is one of the most signature collection in GRT, and it's by this designer called Farah Khan. So she is one of the topmost jewelry designer in India.
Yeah.
So I think nice pick.
I love
Yeah.
the combination of the pearls with the diamonds. and
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
Awesome. So with that, I think we've come to this end of the segment. All right. So we have a fun segment now, and Niyati want to do it for you.
Yeah.
So
So
she's
you
going
guys
to.
are going to have fun.
I'm going to have fun for sure. So she
Yeah.
wanted to ask you some words, and we are going to see if you really know it or not.
I'm not going to know a single word if it's going to be
So,
like
these are the Gen Z words. Okay.
right.
What is drip?
Drip is to drip.
Drip irrigation.
Yeah. See,
Actually, even I
unless,
don't know what a
unless
drip
you
is.
have educated me on that, I wouldn't know the term.
Uh,
So see, if I don't know it, it reflects on you. So you
Oh.
have
The
taught
tables
me.
are turning.
Wow.
now. She's like, it's you.
So
it's
please
your
ask
Allah,
life.
something. Please ask something that I would answer.
I don't think she knows any of it. So drip is drip.
Okay, now tell me what is drip.
Drip is I think the way you present yourself, the way you dress, and that his
Okay.
drip was very cool. Now the way he
Oh,
dresses.
Like it's like cool.
Okay.
yeah,
Ah,
the way he.
so how do I use this term? Oh, you're dripping well. No, that sounds bad.
Oh God!
How do we use
censor
it in a
all this.
sentence, please? I really want
Yeah.
Wait, I don't know.
Put
how
it
to
in a
use
sentence.
Wait, I don't know. Wait,
to.
one
Okay,
second.
Gen Z word.
எனக்கு பாதி தெரியாது, that's the problem. So I don't know how to use it in a sentence. I hope I'm right. I think his drip was very cool. Nah? Like
Okay.
probably the way he was. I knew she'd laugh. But I'm not sure if that's how you use it.
Okay.
But don't laugh. It's a real word.
Sounds so funny.
Yeah, it does sound funny.
You've got serious drip today.
Oh yeah, it's like style.
Like what you say is true. Like, you know, his
Yeah.
drip was on point at the party last night and the Mari. So like, yeah, like
Oh my
like
god.
his look, basically.
look,
His or her
His
look.
vibe, the style,
Yeah.
everything.
Okay, huh. So,
So,
next word.
The next word. What
Pass.
what is eight?
I ate breakfast today. See, I made a sentence.
Okay, how do I use
Okay,
it?
ate is
he ate
basically yeah,
Ah.
like she
Ah.
ate it, like
Stopped
she
it up.
nailed it. அந்த
Ah.
மாதிரி.
சாப்பிட்டுட்டா இல்ல.
Yeah.
Don't literally translate it.
Like, you know, like சாப்பிட்டுட்டா அந்த மாதிரி தான். Like in a
Yeah.
slang way.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
he ate it.
Yeah.
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 That's okay. That's
Yeah.
not a very Gen Z term.
Okay.
You just said I ate breakfast. So,
Okay. Next one.
okay. Next one. What is OOTD? It has like an abbreviation. OOTD.
An expansion. Oh.
Yeah.
OOTD.
Might have seen it on Reels. Hashtag OOTD.
OOTD.
Yeah.
Should I make up something?
Yeah, you can.
if you Might be right. Vana.
getting all weird.
No.
Okay. OOTD is outfit of the day.
Outfit. Where is F?
Outfit is one word.
Okay.
Outfit
Outfit of
of the day.
day.
OOTD.
right.
Yeah.
Your OOTD is beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You don't have to use it in a sentence like that. You can
Okay,
use it as-
It's like,
in my generation we make sentences to understand a concept or a word.
Okay, fine.
I get it. Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
The next, I think you should know this. GRWM.
I know GRT.
Wow.
Wow. Nice.
Say it again.
GRWM.
GRWM.
Hmm.
Okay, there's a spelling mistake. Grown without an O. WM. Okay, grown without an O.
What?
got
It again has like each with the letter has a word.
Okay.
It's something related to like okay, what were we doing before getting here? Like we were sitting there and what were we doing?
Grooming.
Ah,
Like
Growing? No,
no,
we were
like-
not growing.
we were getting.
Getting ready with makeup. No.
Oh my gosh! Get ready, with me. Simplest way of saying it, full of complicated but
But I love that.
With
I think we
men.
should keep it. Get ready with makeup. I think that's going to be the new thing.
Yeah.
Get
wow.
ready with
Okay.
Get ready
makeup.
with makeup.
Yeah. Love
So-
that.
Okay.
Okay, so one more is
Inspiring.
there. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh.
Okay, this is pretty simple. You'll definitely know it. No, it's like it's
You give a lead and put a lot of pressure on me.
no, it's like literally said. So main character energy.
Main character just feels like a psychological term.
Maybe actually.
Yeah, might be.
Main character energy. What is your predominant energy?
No, like
Oh.
today
Your
I f-
character's
today
main
I feel
energy.
like
Yeah.
I'm getting that main character energy.
Oh, like that. Like
Ah.
the main character of a film.
Yeah,
Or like main
Oh.
character of my life.
of my life.
Yeah, like I am the main character.
Ah, that
Yeah,
way.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm feeling
Right.
confident.
Today I'm feeling like the main character
Yeah.
with all
Ah.
this jewelry and
yeah,
like that.
Yeah. It's like I'm
Okay.
feeling confident.
Yeah, that sounds pretty simple, but you haven't introduced these terms to me.
Now that is your mistake.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now
Okay,
you
I
have
take
to
full
go back home
responsibility.
and teach her all these words.
Yeah. Yeah, done. I'll teach you.
All right, with that, we have come almost to the end of the podcast. I had such a great time talking to both of you and, like, seeing the bond that both of you have. It was such a delight.
thank
And the
you.
last game was totally the spotlight, I must say.
Yeah, I agree.
Thank you so much for doing this with us. And
It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
lovely. With that, it's time for us to leave. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, keep sparkling.